What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply the dark mode switcher. That is a button that I can apply on your site that if the person clicks, it's gonna enable or disable the dark mode on your site, all into a simple, fast, effective and free method on your WordPress. How to apply this button into the widgets section of your site. For example, imagine that you have a blog and would like to apply this into the widgets, like to the search, for example. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. To access dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, the user and password. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see a field called search plugins. Click and type dark mode, just like this. Okay, sorry. Well, here's the text and here's the guy that I'm looking for. WP dark mode, improve accessibility with AI powered dark mode. Mine is already active, but yours, you're gonna need to click on install now, then click on activate. You're gonna be redirected to the plugin welcome page, this page right here. But by default, it's already enabled. You can enable this for the admin area, so your site can look like mine as well. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and hit the submenu widgets. Or if you are using a block-based theme, just click on editor, okay, and go to widgets. Then you're gonna find the widget section that you would like to add. In my case, it's gonna be the right sidebar. I'm gonna click into this plus button and search for dark. Here is the dark mode switch. And right here, if a person click, they're gonna enable or disable the dark mode on your site. And you can change for this one, maybe this one. There is some pro ones as well, but my favorite basically is this one, the simpler one, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!